This super clean 1979 Pontiac Firebird Formula has been in the owner's family since day one, but the owner wanted a bit more punch and reliability. It's already wearing some great upgrades, but it came to the V8 Speed Resto Shop for the install of a Holley Sniper fuel injection unit and a Magnaflow stainless exhaust system. Our team is honored to have the opportunity to work on it. The Formula is the less fancy, high-performance version of the Pontiac Firebird, and it shares many of its underpinnings with the Trans Am. It's powered by a bored and stroked Pontiac 400 built by Paul Cole of PC Automotive. It's wearing Edelbrock aluminum D-port heads and a Performer intake, and a Comp 276 cam provides the thump. It's stuffed with 10-to-1 compression forged pistons, and it makes great power. The addition of the Sniper EFI system and dual sync distributor make the car much more responsive and drivable, thanks to the self-tuning system that constantly refines the air-fuel calibration as you drive. The car has a 3,000 RPM stall converter in the Turbo 400 transmission and a gear vendor overdrive unit that gives this bird longer legs on the freeway, even with 370 rear gears. The suspension is firm with urethane bushings, and hydro-boosted Wilwood brakes grab all 4 polished Krager SS wheels and BFG tires. The car looks fresh even though it was painted back in 1993. Our team at the V8 Speed Resto Shop restored some of the interior by installing new bucket seat covers and door panels to freshen the cabin. Even though it's a Formula, it still has a fully stocked engine turn dash, and a cool Hurst dual gate shifter stands tall in the center console. We kind of dig that NASCAR 50th anniversary shift on. Future plans include lowering the suspension a bit, but for now, it's time to drive and enjoy this Mayan red Formula. We're always happy to install performance upgrades on cars like this, or perform bigger improvements like rust repair, bodywork and paint, all the way up to complete restoration. You can reach us at v8speedshop.com or check our Facebook page for more.